Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing another unboxing. Kind of. Not necessarily unboxing, but an unpackaging. I don't know what you'd call it, but it's this. So, let's get into it. This is going to be a bit of a help, hopefully. We'll see. So what we have, chuck it over there, and then we have this bit here. And what we have is a tin box. Inside that tin are these. With very strong magnets on one end and clips on the other, kind of like these helping hands kind of things to be able to bend and hold minis in such a way that they can be painted, glued, whatever. There is a very, very strong magnetic pull with these. And it wasn't so too expensive. I don't think it was £10 from Amazon, but nice. And I think I ordered it yesterday morning and it came last night. So yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12 of these arms. So it's not as if I'm going to run out anytime soon. So yeah, they will be handy for gluing. It will be handy for painting, I suppose. It'll be just handy. But again, it's a slide top job. In a nice tin can. There. That's all it is really. Very short video. But you will see this in use as time goes on. Probably sooner than you think. But yeah. Nice little helping hands kit. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless and bye for now.